Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg tacos at home Indian style, updated. Start by prepping vegetables, roasting spices, and warming tortillas. I guide you through a simple masala, a quick pickled onion, and a creamy chutney that ties everything together. Follow cooking tips to keep textures bright and avoid soggy tacos. I'll share plating ideas and easy swaps for vegan or gluten-free options so you can cook confidently. Heat a skillet, gently toast cumin and mustard seeds until fragrant, then grind if you prefer. Chop bell peppers, potatoes, and cauliflower into similar sizes to ensure even roasting. Sauté aromatics with ginger, garlic, and tomato, then stir in ground spices and a splash of lemon or vinegar to brighten. Keep some vegetables chunky for texture and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for an irresistible taco filling. Quick recommendation: if you love making messy, delicious meals like these veg tacos, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to handle post-cooking crumbs and spills. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so floors stay clean without extra effort, making weekday cooking easier and more fun. If this helped, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Warm your tortillas until pliable and slightly charred, then build each taco starting with a smear of chutney for tang. Add a generous scoop of vegetable masala, top with quick pickled onions, and sprinkle roasted peanuts or sev for crunch. Finish with cilantro, lime, and a light yogurt drizzle to balance heat. Serve immediately while hot, and offer extra chutney and lime so everyone can customize their perfect taco.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.